HubSpot is infinitely customizable, allowing our customers to get exactly what they need from our platform. However, if you're just getting started in HubSpot customization or development, it can be hard to know where to begin. While getting started can be a challenge, HubSpot's active developer community has made it a little easier. In 2024, we introduced the first ever Developer Mentorship Program. By pairing successful HubSpot developers with individuals looking to grow their HubSpot technical chops, we lower the barrier to entry for both building and growing a career on the HubSpot platform.
I decided to join the Developer Mentorship Program because I've been fortunate enough to have several mentors throughout my career, and without them, I wouldn't be where I am today, and my journey wouldn't have been the same. And I wanted the opportunity to give that back to somebody else starting in their career. I think when you're just getting started with something, even though the resources are there, even though the information is there, just having a person that you communicate with, that's your sounding board, you can ask questions, you can be vulnerable with, just having a person who's been there or maybe hasn't and is helping you figure it out too. We all have different experiences and can pull from them. And I think just creating that one-to-one connection in this bigger community has just been so valuable.
I would encourage anyone in their beginning stages of their development career. You don't have to have a dev title officially to do this. If you're interested in the field and want to learn more, I would encourage you to apply. This program is very much tailored to what you want out of it. What I wanted was to be able to ask questions about the business processes of how to approach business challenges from a development perspective. One of my goals was just to be able to, from start to finish, see how a project was completed, see the code written for that. It was awesome because I got to do that through this mentorship, which I don't think, honestly, I'd be able to get anywhere else outside of an internship. So this program was awesome for me. I would encourage anybody to take it if they're interested in learning more about this field. Again, it's really tailored to what you want out of it and what benefits you. So yeah, it was great.
I've kind of always had like this tiny technical side to me and everything that I've done before, but I've never been in that kind of role. So I've been the marketer that everyone in the marketing team considers the technical guy, but not actually the technical one. I joined this program to follow up on that side and learn a bit. I feel like the bar to enter into the HubSpot developer side had been high. So I feel like this program really met those expectations and kind of connecting the bridge to people who were maybe a little bit outside of their comfort zone. And getting a more technical aspect really helped.
Been trying to build a portfolio for so many years of my life, and I've never successfully finished. That was the goal, to build a portfolio or to get through a first draft. I'm happy to say I have. It's like having an accountability buddy who's making sure I'm doing work, but not being so strict. It was just really nice to hear from the professional who both understood my struggles, but also was pushing me to get things done. Through this experience, I feel a little bit more confident in my skills. This program reminded me that I am capable of thinking things up and getting better at it. If you have the opportunity to be a part of the program, take it. The goal of the program wasn't to just get work done, but you're surrounded by people who care about you. And if you have the opportunity to be a part of that community, say yes, take it.
HubSpot congratulates the first cohort of its beta Developer Mentorship Program in 2024. The inaugural developer mentors were Jennifer Nixon, June Rutten, Anton Bujanowski, Evelyn Ulsh, Nico Dixon, and Umakant Sharma. The first developer mentees to complete the 3-month beta were Natasha Baluri, Mitesh Kumar Padaria, Ekaterina Tomiseva, Rafi Santos, Ezekiel Swanson, Zach Cherney, Rajesh Parashar, Asfand Yar, Isha Mascarenhas, Martin Akra, and Miguel Perdomo. The 2024 mentorship program exceeded our expectations. We had so much more demand for connection than we could accommodate. Because of that, we're launching something much bigger. Reintroducing the 2025 HubSpot Ecosystem Mentorship Program. We wanted to be sure the goal of the program is crystal clear, connecting HubSpot ecosystem experts with folks who want to upskill on the HubSpot ecosystem. And that's why we updated the name. So whether you consider yourself a developer or someone who wants to get more technical on HubSpot, this program is for you. In fact, we're growing from 17 program participants to 100 participants in 2025. And we're extending the program from a 3-month duration to 9 months in duration. This time, we're accepting applications for both mentees and mentors. And mentors, this is your chance to give back to the HubSpot ecosystem community, grow the next generation of HubSpot developers and builders, and maybe even make a friend for life. Mentees, this is your chance to accelerate your career, learn from the best, and maybe even make a friend for life. In 2025, we'll be pairing folks who can share skills and knowledge with those eager to learn about the following topics: HubSpot development, APIs, CRM, AI, customization, HubSpot app and theme creation, building, launching, designing, and publishing, HubSpot marketplace success, listing, marketing, growth, HubSpot developer career growth, full-time freelance and transitions in career, HubSpot technical sales and marketing, skills, influence, credibility, HubSpot developer community and inclusion, support, connections, and representation. Some of the perks of the 2025 Ecosystem Mentorship Program include recognition, a certificate of completion, and exclusive HubSpot community badging. Networking, connect with developers and industry pros at exclusive events. Learning, access to advanced workshops, speaking opportunities, and alumni support. Growth, sharpen those technical and soft skills and gain career guidance. And inbound 2025 perks, some special surprises will be coming soon. So mark those calendars. Applications open on Wednesday, Feb 19th, and they close on March 5th. We'll announce all selected pairings by email on March 12th. Please note, though, that depending on both mentor availability, mentee demand, and skill selection, we may not be able to pair all participants. An important note, this program is exclusively for those who are employed or would like to be employed by HubSpot customers, HubSpot partners, or as HubSpot freelancers, not for those who work at HubSpot or would like to work at HubSpot directly. So with all that, are you ready to dive in? Add your name to the interest list, or, as of February 19th, apply by the QR code or at bit.ly/ecomentors. Thank you so much.